This is a very small, tiny discussion on the Lake Isle of Innisfree. In the Lake Isle of Innisfree, the poet remembers back the the place Innisfree where he had been when he was a child. I'll be first sharing this and then getting on to the explanations if you put forward any. So the poet spent his childhood in a very wonderful place, Lake Isle, and it's beside a lake, by a lake, and a place called Innisfree. And he spent his childhood over there, and it was a very joyful childhood. And right now he's in the city, but he can feel the urge to go back over there. He wants to go back to that beautiful place because that is so in contrast with his life in the city. It is so different, and he wants to go back. He can hear the lapping of the water on the shore, the sound of the lapping of the water on the shore when he's in the city, he's standing on the pavement. So that sound never leaves him. And this particular poem tells us that he wants to go back to Innisfree. He wants to build a house with wattles and wattles or rattles, something like that. Those are called sticks, in fact. And he will plant 9 bean rows, and he will have a kind of a honeybee, a nest of a honeybee, a honeycomb, yeah, a honeycomb, and he will listen to the sounds of the cricket, and he will enjoy the time when uh, night will end and day will come, and the beautiful sound of the flapping of the wind, wings of the birds. And this is all he wants to experience when he goes back to Innisfree, and this is what he had experienced when he was a child. So all these sounds, the sounds of the lapping of the water on the shore of the lake, the sound of the crickets, the sound of the honeybee bees, the sound of the bird linnet, the sound of the bird called linnet, the flapping of its wings. So he wants to get back to all these things, all these sights and sounds. The noon, the purple glow of the noon, and the beautiful lights that are over there. So he wants to go back. He wants to wake up and he wants to go back. So this is a bit nostalgic. Nostalgia is something which you feel when you want to go back to a place where you had spent your childhood, or where you had spent a lot of time. So this is what he wants to experience.